swimming pool make come one seven. This is the site of the National Cathedral. Nyasem kuma kra. So here swimming pool in that hall. Abusia reporting live from the National Cathedral site. NDC protesters no break into the National Cathedral site to say Nyasem kuma kra. Na amwa sema isi wa ani say yes I had any swimming pool nyina Nyasem ketua. Eti swimming pool no ena wa he. And today is the site of the National Cathedral. $58 million spent so far on this project. $58 million spent so far on this project. So this is the swimming pool. This is the site of the National Cathedral. Nyasem kuma kra. So here swimming pool in that hall. This is a live update right here on Ghanaian Citizen TV. It's omochira akufuado di ewu ankasa Nyasem ketua. It's the site of the National Cathedral project, and NDC protesters are storming her gidi cry. Just say enye easy cry ha say. Enye easy cry. Enye easy cry we see for so far nearby who say ejuma bia ekoso. So far there is no work, and I say there is no contractor on site. Yebeka say all ye ejuma aha crash asi efufufu enye easy ohwa aha nyina efufu kra say Nyasem kuma. So amigina na munhu ni ye the site of the National Cathedral of Ghana. Wonderful. When I say I spending $58 million on who ebusia for yes say Ochiamia only masem kasina na wasumwa we eseweni ense Cathedral. We need to ending jaw. We dey hunu fidi gadochi. Enye editing bia beka say NDC for akoye editing na there. This is the site of the National Cathedral. The full video is coming on Ghanaian Citizen TV, so stay tuned for more. Peace out. Billy the goats. Billy the goats.
After now, go to the street. We have over here in Cathedral. I said I was saying. Then times and I was saying, "Liverpool can care very fine." My area is
20. National Cathedral site, I want to feel bad to see here is the crowd. The protest is still ongoing.